What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's lesson I'll be teaching you how to play HP Boyz Engineers. Let's get to it. So first of all, you're going to place your finger right here on the 5th fret, using your index finger, just covering all the strings. Yep. So as you can see here, my fingers, I'm using my thumb, index, ring, and also middle finger. It depends on how you want to play the song. It's up to you what sort of style you want, but this is just the way I do it. So next chord is over here. You're gonna place your finger right there, your pinky, and you put your ring finger right there, and then your middle finger in between the pinky and the ring. Yep, so just like that. Ring finger on the 4th string, pinky on the 6th string. And what you're going to do is you're going to slide your hand 1 fret down, leaving your fingers in the same position. Just like that. Just like that. And you're going to slide your fingers all the way to the, is it 6th fret or 7th fret? Hey everyone, thanks for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. I post every Saturdays, so if there's a song you want me to teach you, just let me know in the comments below. But for now, keep practicing, have fun with it, and we'll see you guys on the next one.